Alright, today we're going to be going over how to remove a placeholder button, like the one you see here. All you're going to need is a pry tool. This one that I'm using is a 4140, but any plastic or any type of screwdriver type of pry tool will work. You do want to be careful because it says plastic, so depending on the pry tool, you don't want to break any plastic. So we're just going to push our pry tool in between the crack at the very top here and pry down. As you can see, it popped loose, came right out. I can show you on here. We've got a clip on this side and a clip on this side. That's all that's holding it in. They're not very firm either, so they come right out. This is a button that we have here. It's made to the same dimensions, and as you can see, we've got a clip on either side. So we're gonna just slide that in, and now we've got a button out of there. Same thing is gonna go for getting this button out. You're just gonna take a pry tool, go in the top, pry down, and it came right out. And then if you ever want to put the placeholder back in, just push it right back in.